Two of Hollywood's legendary action stars in a heated war of words. Sylvester Stallone slamming Bruce Willis after a dispute over one of their blockbuster movies. ABC's Lindsay Janis has the story.
It's the clash of the vintage action heroes. 67-year-old Sylvester Stallone versus 58-year-old Bruce Willis.
There's a party in town.
Yeah, but it's my party.
The testosterone spilling off the silver screen and into an online brawl.
Happy trails, Hans.
The Rocky star now throwing verbal punches after revealing Willis will no longer be riding shotgun in Expendables 3.
Shoot something!
The next installment of the box office busting franchise.
You know, Church, you're the kind of guy that pulls the strings and everyone else does your dirty work. We're done.
Willis will be replaced by 71-year-old Indiana Jones star Harrison Ford, a decision that apparently pleased Sly. In this Twitter smackdown, he implies Willis is getting what he deserves, tweeting Willis out, Harrison Ford in. Seconds later, he writes, greedy and lazy, a sure formula for career failure.
Nobody's really saying what the exact reason is. Stallone made reference to being greedy. What likely happened is very simple. Bruce Willis probably asked for more money and they weren't willing to give it to him.
Some are now suggesting Stallone's tweet was more like the action of a teenage girl than a butt-kicking hero.
Nothing is over! Nothing!
I'm not surprised that Sylvester Stallone has frustrations. I'm surprised that he went public with it. It's rare that you see something like that that's so aggressive on Twitter.
Though Willis hasn't responded publicly, nobody is expecting the die-hard star to go down without a fight.
Yippee-ki-yay.
For Good Morning America, Lindsay Janis, ABC News, New York.
Yippee-ki-yay, indeed. Yeah, thank you for cutting that right there. Hey, the two expendable movies have taken in almost $600 million worldwide. So a successful franchise that will likely go on either way.